Hi, it's Ben here at PowerJet. Today we're on site with our portable pickup skid. It's a fully self-contained unit. This unit is designed to fit perfectly in the box of your pickup truck. The unit can also be mounted on a trailer. This unit is perfect for municipalities, mobile wash, or woods operations where there's no power source. It's 4 gallons a minute at 3,500 PSI. This unit has a TS 1511 general pump with a gearbox reduction. And the gearbox reduction is to lower the RPM to make your pump last longer than a direct drive unit normally would. This is a 14 horsepower Kohler Command Pro with electric start. This unit has a 12 volt, 350,000 BTU Wayne burner. We have a 10-gallon fuel tank on this unit, holding 10 gallons of diesel, on-off switch for the burner, also including a thermostat. The coil is manufactured in-house with 3/4 inch Schedule 80 pipe. This frame is a heavy-duty 2x4 powder-coated steel tube, manufactured in-house. On the bottom, we have a forklift slot, and on the top, we have a lifting eye for easy loading. This unit comes equipped with a winterization kit for year-round cleaning. On top, we have a hose reel that is capable of holding 150 feet of hose maximum. At the back of the unit, we have a 225-gallon water tank to clean up anything you need to. There are a variety of cleaning options and accessories that can be used with this machine to improve your cleaning efficiency. Today we are going to use a rotary nozzle. This will speed up our cleaning time 2 to 3 times faster than a conventional nozzle. If you are interested in this unit or any of the other units we offer, give us a call and we'll get you in touch with your local distributor.